Hey beauties, today I wanted to hop on and show you a little something I got from a company called Honeybee Gardens. I got a couple things from them, including a few eyeshadows. I unboxed two of them just to kind of speed it along. But there's like a lighter shadow, a medium, like darker brown. Then I have one, it's called Antique. These are the little individual shadow things. This is how it kind of comes. There's a magnet and then the magnet inside, which creates that suction there. This one must have been the cocoa right here, I believe. Yeah, I'm not gonna take it out. And then this one is like a purple. It's called Daredevil, really pretty. And I'm just gonna do a little swatch so you guys can see the color. And I just wanna say thank you to Honeybee Gardens for sending this to me. It's beautiful. Comes with this little a mirror and a little brush with a little foam thing at the end that goes right in there. So this is the light one here. This is the purple here. This is the brown, the light brown next to it. And then this is the dark brown right here. Really pretty, really subtle. I like that they're very matte shades. Super excited. I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit under my eyes just to show you guys the color payoff, show you how it's looking. I'm not gonna use the brush that it came with. I'm like really picky about my brushes. So I'm probably gonna go in with the new beauty counter one if I can find it. I just put a couple, oh yeah. So this one has like a little bit of an angle at the end, and I'm gonna go in and I kind of want to see how the purple will look. So I'm just gonna kind of tap that off, and I'm gonna go in underneath my eyeshadow that I already have on, since I do have some color, but I have nothing underneath my eyes. So, you know, as you can see, that's really pretty. I don't ever wear purple, especially around my eyes, because, you know, you kind of want to avoid purples, pinks, just because that can kind of give you a sickish look. But if you start to put something on and you're like, oh my God, I can't wear purple, it looks really bad on me, it's best on darker skinned women, you can go in with a brown like I'm going to do, just to show you that you can cover it up, and you can use something, sorry, my nose is running. So you can kind of have an undertone of that purple rather than just all over purple. You can just sort of do a little bit of a liner there, kind of wing it out. It is Friday night, so I'm gonna go out and have sushi with Stephanie, and it'll be nice to kind of wear my look out. This is a little fun. Maybe I'll have one cocktail and just kind of enjoy. I've worked really hard this week and I definitely need it. And so, look, I'll even show you guys how this will look with using this one, just to kind of clean up underneath my eyebrow, like just on my brow bone. Nothing too crazy. And yeah, it's really pretty. And then if you want, you can shade. So you can use a shader brush. Where are my brushes when I need them? Here's one. I'm just gonna go in with this darker brown here. I love that this is very like travel friendly. It's a nice color. It has, you can feel that it's durable and it snaps shut, so it's not going to open. You don't need to use, you know, it's not just a magnet or anything like that. Shade in over here too. And then you can use like a bigger shader brush just to blend everything out. You always want to blend after you apply color anywhere each time, because it helps so that there's not a big mess at the end and you're not like trying to scrub everything away. So really pretty. I like how it enhances my eyes. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching and joining me for my Honeybee Gardens unboxing. Talk to you guys soon.